Hi, just want to take a minute to talk about inspection details. First of all, thank you so much for allowing us to arrange them on your behalf. We look forward to being there the full time with the inspector and making sure they have access to everything that's needed so they can fully inspect the home. Want to let you know that this inspection usually takes 2.5 to 3 hours. You are welcome to be there the full time. The inspector will be doing their inspection, but if you have measurements or additional pictures or would like to get a contractor in for an estimate, this is your time to get that done. Once inspections are done, there will be a 20-minute or so summary. If you're not able to attend, we can arrange a conference call, or you're welcome to just come for that last 20 to 30 minutes to hear the summary. The next day, we'll actually get a report. It's anywhere from 30 to 60 pages long. Doesn't mean there's a lot of concerns with the house. It's just literally everything the inspector found so that you have good housekeeping coming up, possible repairs or maintenance to keep in mind, and then also some serious or needs work to be satisfactory items, which we can either negotiate with the seller to have those repaired prior to closing or adjust price, etc. Not all sellers are planning to do repairs, and we've kind of touched base on this already when we negotiated your offer, but we will review all of those again once we get your report. If you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to let us know. We're always here to step each detail with you.